Hello, this is Crypto CJ. Welcome to today's trade of the day. Today I want to talk about 123 dip that I found on iCoinPro's buddy coin crawler, and how I used that information to have a successful trade on the FTX platform using 3x leverage on Matic-Bull. Let's go to the iCoinPro buddy coin crawler. So as you may recall from prior videos, this is a tool, the buddy coin crawler within iCoinPro. I sort by the average low to the SMA line. The SMA line is that middle line between the two Bollinger Bands, and the average low is a 24-hour low. So I'm looking for coins that have room to move. Usually I'm looking for something in the area of 5 to 10% of value in this column. When I was looking at Matic yesterday morning, it was about 7%. I did not save a screenshot. So here, it's probably in the 3% range. But yeah, it's listed here at 3.46%. I can click this drop-down menu and go to a trading view chart for Matic, but I've already marked one up for Matic-Bull. So I'm just going to hop over there. And this is what I was looking at yesterday morning on the 10 o'clock hour. We have a squeeze and a bubble and multiple dips here for Matic. Though this is the Matic-Bull chart, the Matic chart would look the same as far as where the candles are and the Bollinger Bands and all that. Just the numbers are different on the FTX chart for the leverage token. So I'll go ahead and mark my dips. Got a dip here and another one here and a third one here. And I look for some candle action to see if the coin's recovering. It actually had drifted down into the 30 oversold area on the 5-minute RSI. I've got a crossing MACD down here, rising RSI. All signs are good, so I get in right about here at 24.00 at 12:17 p.m. I put these purple dotted lines here to show potential resistance and exit points. So I've got the first one I see here is 28.2. Another group of candles right here for 29.39. Then the top up here, 30.785. I go with sort of a little bit below my second option for 29.25 as my exit point. But the coin does not cooperate. So Matic drifts down. Bounces off the RSI 30 again, goes sideways, drifts down some more, goes into another dip sequence into the evening. Just doesn't really help me out that much. I do have a slight profit at this level here. Well, no, not that one. Actually, I'm about breaking even in these levels here. So those don't really help me, but I do get some nice action here in the early morning this morning, but it doesn't quite get to my 29.25. It does hit my first resistance level, but doesn't get to the second, the in-between area that I was looking for. So I cancel when it starts to dip again. I cancel my sell order at 29.25. I do that at 8:25 this morning. I set a new should be sell order at 27.8. And I do hit that 27.8 about an hour later at 9:20 this morning. And I've got a 15.347% profit. Afterwards, it does dip, and it does eventually hit my first resistance level, my sell order, and then does go beyond it quite a bit. As you can see, it's shooting up. Matic has been crazy this week, as it's a new listing on Coinbase Pro. It shot up, dumped, shot up again. It's just been all over the place. So I'm content with a 15% profit. I'm in this trade, less than a day, so I view that as a successful trade. I had a little drama with the dip sequences I was dealing with, but overall I'm pleased with the trade. So that's all I have for my Matic-Bull trade. 1, 2, 3 dip and an adjustment on my take profit areas. So please stay tuned for some additional messages and check out the tools and resources in the comments below. They help support this channel. I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye.